We're back and we're going to get right into it. I'm not going to hold you guys up. It's a pretty straightforward presentation, not too long. So you see we got the solar panel. It's made for the Ring Spotlight Cam battery and the Ring Stick-Up Cam battery. It's also eco-friendly. It's 360-degree rotatable mounting bracket. It's quick and easy to install, and it's also weather resistant. So let's go ahead and open this boy up and see what we got in here. Okay, see we got the instructions. Got the nice beautiful solar panel here with a nice long cord. Also got the mounting plate, the bracket, and also the mounting screws. And like I said, it was straightforward, pretty easy to install, pretty simple. And that'll be it for the presentation today. And if you like the video, make sure you like, share, subscribe. And we'll see you on the next video.